birds.
Written by Chuck, this pelican has a big...
This bird has a big, long beak.
long beak. There is a deep sack of skin
There is a deep edge of skin under its beak.
under its beak. The sack holds fish that the pelican scoops
The sack holds fish that the pelican scoops up from the water.
up from the water. This bird is a roadrunner.
This bird is a road runner.
It lives in the desert and spends most of its time on the ground.
It lives in deserts and spends much of its time on the ground.
It eats fast lizards, snakes, and bugs.
It is large lizards, snakes, and bugs.
The roadrunner runs very fast
The roadrunner runs very fast. It gets its food.
to get its food. This toucan lives in the rainforest.
This toucan lives in the rainforest.
It has a big, colorful beak.
It has a big, colorful beak.
It uses its beak to pick fruit from
It uses its beak to pick fruit from trees.
trees. This big bird is an emu.
This big bird is an emu.
It cannot fly because it has small wings for such a large body.
It cannot fly because it has small wings for such a large body.
But it has very long, strong legs.
But it has very long, strong legs.
It can run very fast to get away from danger.
It can run very fast to get away from danger.
This puffin eats small fish.
This puffer is small fish.
It is short and fat and has a colorful beak.
It is short and fast and has a colorful beak.
Puffins look funny on land,
Buffy look funny on land,
but they spend most of their time in the sea.
but they spend most of their time in the sea.
They swim under the water with their wings.
They will swim under the water with their wings.
Most owls come out at night.
More owls come out at night.
They have big eyes to help them see in the
They have big eyes to help them see in the dark.
dark. Their feathers are very soft.
Their feathers are very soft.
Many can fly without making a
Many can fly without making a
sound. Hummingbirds are the smallest
Hummingbirds are smaller birds.
birds. They are bright and colorful.
They are bright and colorful.
They can stay in one place when they fly.
They can stay in one place, then they fly.
They use their long beaks and tongue
They use their long beaks and tongues to get food from flowers.
to get food from flowers. Eagles fly high above the ground.
Eagles fly high above the ground.
They can spot snakes, mice, and fish from high over land and water.
They can spot snake, mice, and fish from high over land and water.
Eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp beaks.
Eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp beaks.
They use their feet and beaks to catch food and rip it up
They use their feet and beaks to catch food and rip it
apart. Cockatoos have thick, sharp beaks that can crack open hard nuts.
Cockatoos have 6 sharp beaks that can crack open hard nuts.
Cockatoos live in large groups.
Cockatoos live in large groups.
They can be very loud.
They can be very loud.
Vultures eat dead animals.
Vulture is dead animal.
Many have no feathers on their heads.
Many have no feather on their hands.
Many have big holes in their beaks.
Many have big holes in their beak.
The holes help them to smell food from far away.
The holes help them to smell food from far away.
Good job!